Welcome back. Well, let's talk about the futures and options space now. And for that, we have Bhavin Mehta of Dollar Capital and Ajit Mishra of Religare Broking joining us on the show. Good morning to both of you. Thanks for joining in.
Sir, what about you? What is your trade on the index, Nifty and Bank Nifty?
Yeah, good morning, Samina. Good morning, Agam. So, it's been like the second day, rather the third day that we are seeing that index is consolidating in a range with tone on the positive side. So that is what we have been seeing for last several months now, that after every up move, we see more of time-wise, collection, consolidation. But the tone remains on the positive side, thanks to the rotational buying across the heavyweights. So we are seeing a similar structure, and plus we have this new milestone also. So that's the reason why we are spending some time around the current levels. But broadly, the structure indicates that we are heading towards 25,100 to 25,400. So it's a buy on dip market. Now we have a higher base, means when it comes to the positional traders, 24,600 to 500 is going to be the zone where on every dip one should look for buying opportunity. And for the intraday traders also, we feel that there's a possibility that we might make an attempt to cross 25,000 mark in the later half of the session. So there also we can look for fresh buying opportunity with the index with 24,840 being the stop and 25,100 being the intraday target. Banking, on the other hand, still looks slightly sluggish to us. So until we break this level of 51,600 decisively, until then one should avoid any aggressive longs in the banking stock or banking index. But yeah, the tone looks sideways to positive to us in banking as well.
All right. Well, with that, let's talk about stocks as well. At the moment, perhaps we can take up, trading ideas from an expert. So, Ajit, coming back to you on stocks which are on your radar this morning.
So, Agam, first, the stock that we have in the list is AB Capital. So, the stock after a decent retracement from its record highs has formed a fresh buying pivot. And there's an intraday breakout, from the cup and handle pattern also. The stock is holding up the short-term averages. So, everything looks aligned for strong recovery from the current levels. The risk reward is favorable. So one can go long with the 222 being the stop and 231 being the immediate target and positioning behind 235. Similarly, that ID counters today, they are seeing decent traction, and among the mid-cap ID name, Tech Mahindra is showing decent buying interest. So we are ranking 1610 in Tech Mahindra. So with stop at 1535, one can go long in Tech M as well.
Right. Bhavin, what about you? What are your top recommendations this morning?
On that note, going to thank both of them, Bhavin and Ajit, for joining us and taking us through their views on, of course, the markets and, of course, giving...